Hello friends, welcome to ToyCity, and today in this video we have a country jeep with us. Tan-ta-da! Yeah, this one, the one which is in front of you. It's so big, so amazing that last time you remember our remote control car that is so tiny in front of this jeep. Yes, you can check out the size of this jeep which is so big. So excited? Yes. So let's unbox this jeep. So this jeep comes in different color, that is like red, green and yellow. I don't know which color jeep do we have, but we will come to know soon, very soon. So yeah, let's unbox this jeep. Wow, this jeep is so big and the color is so bright. Yeah, this jeep is so big in front of this car. So okay, this is good for my thumbnail. Okay, let's see this view with different angle. Cool. It's so good. There's a driving seat over here, you can see in the video, and the steering wheel, and there is a small horn. एक छोटा सा horn है यहाँ पे. You can see, all of you can see, आप सभी देख सकते हैं ये छोटा सा horn. Peep, 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 peep. Okay, the speedometer over here and all the statistics like speed, power and everything. There is a tire attached in the back. Okay, so this is if in case the main tire gets punctured, then we can use this big tire. We can replace the tire with this. Sliding is so smooth. I think it is a bit difficult to break. And children, what they do is they destroy the little toys, but this thing is so big, like they will not be able to destroy it so quickly. So you can prefer this jeep to buy for the children over 3 years of age. The amazing jeep in front of you. Beep beep. Okay, any small toy can be put up over here, means you can make them sit over here if you have another small toys with you. A wider view of this Jeep. You will like it. So yeah, that's all for today. In this video, a big monster Jeep for you. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel for more updates. Thank you.